howdy y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and if you don't already know, and if you do know, then groovy. Thanks for coming back, I appreciate you. So, it is Halloween. It is, well, it's red and white Halloween, and pink, and... Okay, we're just gonna leave that in. It is Valentine's Day today, so I thought we would do something a little different because I have not made a recipe video since I pretty much started my channel, and I do recipes for one of my good friends' magazines that I've talked about before, and I kind of miss doing a little, you know, Sippin kitchen, even though I seem to have misplaced my Sippin part, but that's okay. So anyway, and this will also be going in her magazine as well, so we're gonna make some not cake mix brownies. Yes, strawberry cake mix brownies, which I have lovingly named Sweetheart Brownies. So, and these are super simple. Oh wait, I almost forgot. We gotta put our apron on. We gotta put our apron on, guys. We gotta make sure that the, you know, the sourpuss dress stays nice. So, wow, I'm sucking today. It's been a while since I made a video. Yeah, I usually don't talk during these, but, whatever. First time for everything, right? But yeah, so we are gonna do that, and no, the thing is, you ignore all of the instructions. Whatever's gonna be a little bit big. Lord did not bless me up here, sorry. But, you ignore all of this, because this calls for like 4 eggs. Ain't nobody got time for no 4 egg bullshit. You know what I mean? Oh, I made the trash can. Especially with the price of that right now, which you could, use a banana. Like, that also works in cake mixes as well, if you did want to make this, like, vegan, which I'm not. I'm vegetarian. But, if you want to take that extra step, yeah. Oh, that smells so good. Y'all, I love strawberry cake. So, I have my beautiful Pyrex ball. I wanted to use the red one to be more festive, but, you know how it is. So, that's what we do. We put our cake mix in there, put our scissors there, and then you need 2 eggs. So, yeah, we ain't doing no 4 egg. Okay, that one I missed. You can hear it rolling around. Sounds great, don't it? Okay, sounds amazing. Y'all, I just mopped. Oh, I got that one. Yes, I did wash my hands before I did this. We are not animals in here. And it also calls for a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, but I usually just use butter because, you know. So, if you don't know, 1/3 of a cup of something is actually 5 tablespoons. So we're going to do 5 tablespoons of butter. And I do have this room temperature, so it'll be easier to mix. So there's 1, 2, oops, 3, 4. I bet you didn't think you were coming to school today, did you? Yes, this is going to go out today too. I figure we talk for just a moment after I get these in the oven, because it takes 20 minutes for these to bake. And now I need a paper towel. Leave it to me. And then it actually calls for a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So we're just going to say that's about a tablespoon. And now we're going to mix it all together. I like to use a whisk. Yeah, that's all you do. You just do this. Don't add nothing. And that's what you do. I know, it's crazy, ain't it? It's not really getting anywhere. But that's what the recipe says, so maybe we might be getting our hands in it here in a minute. So, well, I actually have one of my spatulas right here. Well, I guess while I do this we can talk, but, ow, gross, raw eggs, so disgusting. Ugh, it's very disgusting. But, anywho, yeah, I don't know, guys. I think I'm gonna, I haven't really been very motivated to make videos. So I thought we would do something a little different, like do a little chit chat and make some brownies. And, you know, oh, here we go. Now it's working. Oh my god, it smells so good. So, you know, do something a little bit different. You know, I kind of miss making recipes. I did have some requests for that. So, here we are. Here we are. It's coming along, see? It's coming along. Whoop. But, I think I'm actually going to make my schedule. Oh, hell yeah. Sorry, it's getting good now, guys. It's getting good. But I think I'm only going to upload once a month now instead of twice, just because I still have no fucking motivation. So, that's great. Or what I do want to put out, like I want to do Halloween stuff right now, and I did have something I wanted to do for Valentine's that wasn't this originally, which I might still do it, but it kind of relates to the Valentine's Halloween and like mini love monster series or whatever I did last year with like I did the Masquerade Devil, and then I did that was all like a red look, and then I did the Purple Vampire. Oh, y'all, this is so cool. And yeah. And I was supposed to do like a pink zombie. Never did it because I already did an anti-Valentine's with like regular zombie pinup makeup. Like the year before that, so I don't know. I'm not really like I said, I like the aesthetic of Valentine's. I'm not really into Valentine's like that. Come on, you almost there. Come on, get it. Actually, you know what I might do is add a little more butter. I mean, it's turning pretty well. It's just got this at the bottom that's still a little crumbly, so we're trying to mix that pretty good. But Get in there. So, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think that's what I'm gonna do for a little while. I don't know. Y'all, I don't bite. It is okay to request something that is of Rockasaka Pinup Venabilly culture. That's what we're gonna call it from now on. So, you know what? I don't think this is going to fit in my heart pan, because I got a heart pan too, because I thought it was going to be as much as like regular cake mix. But I do have a regular brownie pan. It's like an 8x8 pan. So, yeah, oven's already preheated as well, like I said. So, oh, there we go. Yeah, I got in there. I didn't need extra nothing. Okay, perfect. And I did already grease these. Preheating, even though preheating your oven is a myth, by the way. But yeah, so now what we're going to do, you can actually see it better over here probably, is we're going to slap this bad boy in here. Now I did not get the Dolly Parton, which I've had the banana cake. Oh, it's so good. I made that for my Bluff's birthday this past year. Yeah, his birthday was back about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weekends ago. Okay, so that's what that looks like in there. And it was so good. I made like a banana pudding cake out of it. Girl, let me tell you, it was so good. But these are Valentine's Day. And I really wish they would. Maybe I should have put them in the hot. No, too late. Too late. I already got them in here. Let's just squish it on in there. I don't think brownies are supposed to have a... Y'all, I don't bake. I cook. I'm a good cook, okay? Bacon is like... looks like somebody chewed up a bunch of bubble gum and went poo-poo. Y'all, I'm not really a baker. Unless it's like box stuff or really easy stuff with like pudding or like no bake stuff. Not because I'm bad with an oven, it's just baking to me is not fun. Because if you fuck up one little thing, one little ingredient, it's ruined. Whereas with cooking, I can add however much garlic powder I want and how much pepper I want. Don't matter. It's going to still turn out good. I can add more whatever I want to anything. So, yeah. Trying to get it even, y'all. I have ADHD and like OCD, so this thing gonna have to look perfect. Alright, so here's what it looks like, and we're gonna put her in the oven for 20 minutes. Yes, I just gave the brownie a anyways, so now I'm going to wait. And while that's doing that, I will do these dishes. You know what? Fuck me up. Okay, these are going to be good, okay? I don't want to hear nothing about no raw egg batter. So anyways, that's what we're going to do, is wait on that. You know what? These have a distinct taste. They taste like something I had when I was a kid. Can't put my finger on what it was, though. I don't know. I might think of it later. I don't know. So anyway, I'm going to put my shit up. And we'll see y'all here in about 20 minutes. And our brownie is done. Alright, so we are going to let that cool. And then y'all actually got y'all sitting on the frosting. So we will let this cool for a little bit, and then we'll frost it, and then we'll try it. And then we'll send pictures to Drive-In Magazine. Alright, y'all. It has been about 30 minutes. It's pretty cooled down now. So we're going to... Yes, I know it's Pillsbury. But we are going to now frost it. And then we're going to try it. Also, y'all ever notice when you cook a colored cake or brownies or what have you, like lemon or strawberry or something, it never actually quite turns out that color because the top of it is slightly brown? Yeah. But then when you cut into it, it's, you know, pink or yellow, or if you used food coloring or whatever in it. No, I'm not going to lick it. Yes, I washed my hands again. I said we are not barbarians. We even rinse off our cans over here. But, yeah. So, I'm very excited to try these. And, as you can see, I am frosting it. Hello, boy. I'm not going to put too much because it's not a cake, so... And yes, the lighting has changed. It's literally... like, what, 4:31 in the afternoon, so, I know, man, the lighting is so bad over here. Like, where I would like to, or need to record, or whatever. So, the lighting's not the best, but that's okay. That's why, you know, Roz Williams gave us Shadow. What was I saying? I did find my sipping part of the kitchen, so, and yes, I'm using a straw because I don't want to mess up my lipstick for the video. And also, I was just talking to my dad, before I came in here to frost this so we can finish the video. And it's funny because last year, for Valentine's, and when I sent Gwen recipe and stuff, I was wearing the same exact thing, except for my new Creepsville 666 bling, but I was wearing the same zombie pinup earrings and everything, except for I had this one here and this one here. Same damn thing on, same makeup, everything, except for I had orange in my hair too. Y'all remember when I had orange in my hair? For that one year? I actually did it for my birthday. I didn't do it for Halloween. So I think that's pretty decently iced for brownies. So I'm gonna close that, and of course put it in the fridge and let it rot in there because I don't eat sweet stuff. Like, yeah, I don't know if y'all know that. I'm gonna cut these in, and one of my best friends is coming over when she gets off here in a moment to come and try them with me, because, you know, we're gonna be each other's Valentine today. Hope she don't mind that I'm drinking. Brownies are supposed to be smaller, so that's why I'm... Oh, that is a small brownie. I should have took a picture. Whoops. Oh, man. I won't lose my job. Sorry, Gwen. Whoopsie. That ain't... Yeah, it is. Okay, it is pink. Okay. We want the nice and bite-sized where you can eat like 2 and be happy instead of like big ones like a cake-sized piece. That's what the goal is here today. Except for this one at the very bottom. I'm so sorry. Okay, so let's see if I can get a piece. Oh, let me take a picture first. Hold up, guys. Let me do what I gotta do. I said, okay. This laptop sometimes, if you gotta like bang on it, this has been very abused, okay? It has been abused. So here is this tiny little piece, and let's try it. And make a mess after I just cleaned the floor. It actually has the consistency of a brownie instead of... Here, let me get closer. It actually does have the consistency of a brownie instead of cake. Like, it kind of tastes a little bit like cake because it's with cake mix, but yeah, it definitely has the consistency of a brownie. So, that is our strawberry cake mix brownies. So, yeah, they're pretty good. Sorry, I'm the type of person, I hate the sound of people eating, so I had to just... not that I'm a noisy eater, but I can't stand them. You know what I mean? But, yeah, let me know if y'all try this, or even if you like these types of videos. This is just an experiment. If you don't like it, that's fine. I won't do it again. It's just an experiment and probably not done that well. But, yeah. So, yeah, let me know what y'all want to see next. And I guess we'll holler at you later. And don't forget to check out my other videos, because I do everything that has to pertain to rockabilly, vintage, pinup, psychobilly, all that jazz. So, yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because it really helps my tiny ass channel. And, of course, as always, don't forget to keep it rockin'.
Fist in his pants as you drunk to cat. He's wearing 1956 underwear.